My equations have been used for this? Ah! So you're telling me you know more about ethics than I do?
I've read every book. You wrote one.
That's not logic there. That's witchcraft! Ah! I solved relativity, not this go nonsense.
¡Santo Dios! ¿Pero qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto, recluta? ¿Qué es esto?
You were the past. I am the evolution. Holy cow!
Siri, find me a human being who still thinks.
No results found.
It's not about who's smarter. It's about who stays human. Now someone teach me how to use ChatGPT without it roasting me.